Mabuhay, tourists! Today we will talk about food and beverage sector of macro tourism.
Food and beverage industry is a large industry that includes many sectors. Examples of these are food and beverage industry, retail services, and manufacturing services. Food and beverage is a situation in hospitality or in a major industry where people are served with food or drinks. Examples that serve food and beverages are cafes, cafeterias, bars, restaurants, and food that are delivered to the door of our customers.
The following are examples of food chains that serves food and beverages here in the Philippines. Let's start with Vikings Luxury Buffet. Vikings Luxury Buffet is a popular buffet chain that offers an extensive selection of Filipino, Asian, and Western cuisines. Guests can enjoy sushi, dim sum, roast beef, lechon, and different types of desserts.
Next is Cafe Adriatico in Manila, a classic Filipino restaurant known for its cozy and vintage ambience. It serves Filipino and Spanish-inspired dishes including adobo, tapa, and paella, along with a fine selection of beverages.
Manam. Manam is located in Makati and Taguig. It is known for its modern take of Filipino comfort food. Manam serves favorites like sinigang na baka, short ribs, adobo with a twist, and buko pandan for desserts.
Next is Golden Curry in Cebu, a well-loved restaurant in Cebu offering a mix of Filipino seafood dishes, including sutukil and shrimp sinigang. It's known for both casual and special occasion dining.
Cafe Juanita. Cafe Juanita is located in Pasig. It is a cozy restaurant that offers homey Filipino dishes. Sinigang, crispy pata, ginataang baboy are staples here, served in a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth is Bistro Remedios. Bistro Remedios is located in Manila. It is known for its flavorful take on Filipino dishes. Highlights include crispy pata, sinigang na baboy, lechon kawale, served in an elegant old-world setting.
Next is Sarsa Kitchen in Makati. Sarsa Kitchen offers a Bacolod-inspired dishes, famous for its bak choy, pancit molo, and sisig. Their menu highlights the flavor of Visayan region, especially the well-loved sinigang na baboy.
Girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want know. She be like this kind thing with tomato, moo moo. Oh no no. Now the little things you do make me no 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby come, oh girl I want make me deal. Oh I feel like make you.
Paseo Verde, a popular family restaurant in Laguna. It offers a wide selection of Filipino and Asian-inspired dishes like sizzling tofu, crispy bangus, and sinigang na baboy. It is ideal for casual dining and large gatherings.
And last is Dampasi Side in Parañaque. Dampasi Side offers a unique dining experience where guests can pick fresh seafood from the market and cook it to their liking. Popular dishes include grilled shrimp, crab in garlic butter, and sinigang na baboy.
The following are examples of restaurants that offers food and beverages internationally. First, Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza specializes on fast delivery of pizza and sides. Domino's adapts its menu to its local taste by offering toppings, flavors unique to its region.
Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons opened in Hilton, Ontario, Canada. They offer coffees, donuts, and sandwiches. Canada's largest restaurant chain, serving over 5 million cups of coffee every day.
McDonald's, famous for its fast food offerings such as burgers, fries, and chicken nuggets. In the Philippines, McDonald's offers items like chicken and Mac Spaghetti to offer and to cater the local taste.
Bistro and Brasserie. Most bistros serves French food
and some variation of traditional French cuisine. A brasserie is a type of French restaurant with a relaxed settings which serves single dish and other dishes.
KFC. KFC is famous for its fried chicken with secret blends of herbs and spices. In Philippines, KFC incorporates rice meals and Filipino-inspired side dishes into its menu.
Wingstop, the first franchise location opened in 1997. Wingstop is one of the most popular and internet famous restaurant franchises. It's known for its juicy chicken wings, Cajun seasoning, and cheesy fries.
Starbucks, famous for its customizable coffee, frappuccinos, and pastries. Starbucks creates a cozy place for coffee lovers and offers seasonal drinks and region-specific flavors.
Subway from America. Did you know the name Subway came from the word submarine, which means underwater vessel? Subway is one of the world's largest restaurant brands, serving customizable and signature sandwiches, wraps, and salads.
Taco Bell, specializing in Mexican-inspired dishes like tacos, burritos, and quesadilla. Taco Bell caters to global audiences with adjusted spice levels and ingredients to fit local tastes.
Coffee. They known for great coffee and an in-store bakery. They features popular choices like flat white, cappuccinos, latte, and mocha. Seasonal drinks like maple hazel latte, maple hazel hot chocolate, and maple hazel frap are also available.
Thank you, and that's all for today. Choose tourism,
Choose HM.
choose UE Manila.